as someone who loves to write, who loves to communicate, I just knew in my gut that Boston University was the place I had to be.
I really wanted to get my hands on equipment as soon as possible, and once I saw these studios, I fell in love with the school. That day I bought a BU sweatshirt, went home, and I was like, this is where I want to be.
The college of communication really stood out to me because of the real-world opportunities that it offered students. PR Lab is an agency-style class where you get course credit for doing actual agency work.
AdLab was the reason why I chose BU over any other university for communication. We work on real clients, we solve real problems, we create real campaigns.
BU, of course, has a premier film program, but on top of that, just a phenomenal overall institution. I've delved into editing, directing, producing, cinematography, writing, basically the full spectrum of the student film experience.
Every day there's something new to report on, going to the Mexico border to report on the immigration crisis. That is a thing that I would never have been able to do if not applying to this graduate school.
BU really prepared me well by helping me to establish connections with professionals in the field.
I worked for CBS News for 3 internships. I got the role because I was a campus correspondent for Good Morning BU. Everything here is just a smaller scale version of the real world.
What makes me excited about the future of media is anticipating what it's going to be in the future. I'm really interested in things like artificial intelligence or how technology and data informs what people see on social media.
Emerging media studies is such a novel field of research. I think that's incredibly exciting because you are really a pioneer within this field.
I don't really have any kind of computational or coding background, but I have been able to learn that, and that's been really powerful for me.
Professors and the faculty here are top-notch.
WelCOME has done a fantastic job at placing faculty, active professionals within reach of students.
There is a faculty member to accommodate any research interest, and everyone is incredibly helpful and just wants to see it succeed.
It's a very supportive environment. It's very challenging, it's very advanced, it's also very fulfilling.
It's a really fun campus to be a part of. You're part of the city of Boston, but you also have this really amazing Boston University community.
You work with people from different majors. You just see how talented the community is.
It's the level of the education that you get here that it just goes so far beyond what other schools can give.
I can confidently say that I feel extremely prepared, excited, and ready for the next chapter of my life, thanks to BU's College of Communication.